Winter weather can be tough on properties, especially if they aren't prepared. Snow, ice, and freezing temperatures can lead to costly damage, but with the right steps, you can protect your property and prevent expensive repairs. Today, we're going to talk about how to protect your property from winter weather damage, covering everything from insulation to plumbing and roof maintenance. Taking these precautions now will help you get through winter with minimal issues. First, let's start with insulation. Proper insulation is one of the best defenses against winter weather. It keeps your property warm, prevents pipes from freezing, and reduces heating costs. Check the insulation in the attic, as a well-insulated attic can stop heat from escaping and prevent ice dams from forming on the roof. Ice dams happen when snow melts and then refreezes at the roof's edge, which can lead to water leaks inside. Adding extra insulation to areas like the attic or basement can make a huge difference. Also, insulate exposed pipes, especially in unheated areas like basements, garages, or crawl spaces. Foam pipe insulation is affordable and easy to install, and it's an effective way to protect your pipes from freezing temperatures. Next, it's crucial to clean out your gutters. Clogged gutters can trap water, which can then freeze and cause the gutters to expand or pull away from the house. If water can't flow freely through the gutters and away from the property, it could pool around the foundation and cause damage. After the leaves have fallen, clear out all debris from the gutters and downspouts. Make sure downspouts are positioned to direct water away from the property. Proper drainage will help prevent water damage and reduce the risk of ice buildup around the foundation. Another important task is to check and seal any drafts around doors and windows. Drafty windows and doors let cold air in, which can make your heating system work harder and increase your energy bills. Weather stripping is a simple solution that can seal up gaps and make your property more energy efficient. Look for any cracks around doors and windows and add weather stripping or caulking where needed. This not only keeps the property warmer, but also reduces the chances of moisture getting in, which can lead to mold and mildew growth over time. Now let's move to the roof. Inspecting the roof before winter hits can help prevent leaks and water damage. Look for missing, damaged, or loose shingles and replace them as needed. Even a small gap in your roofing can lead to leaks when snow melts. Pay attention to areas around chimneys, skylights, and vents, as these are common places where water can seep in. If you're not comfortable inspecting the roof yourself, consider hiring a professional to do it for you. A well-maintained roof is essential for keeping your property protected through winter storms. Another key area to focus on is plumbing. Frozen pipes are one of the most common problems during winter, but they're also one of the easiest to prevent. Start by disconnecting any outdoor hoses and shutting off the water supply to outdoor faucets. Drain the faucets to remove any remaining water, which reduces the chances of pipes freezing and bursting. Inside, keep the thermostat set to a minimum of 55 degrees, even if the property is vacant. This will keep the interior warm enough to prevent pipes from freezing. If the weather is extremely cold, open cabinet doors under sinks to allow warm air to reach the pipes. It's also important to have a plan for snow and ice removal. A buildup of snow or ice on driveways and walkways can create a slipping hazard and make it difficult to access the property. Make sure you have shovels, de-icing salt, and sand on hand, or arrange for a snow removal service if you're managing multiple properties. Clearing walkways and driveways promptly keeps the property accessible and prevents ice buildup, which can damage the surfaces over time. For multi-unit properties, it's especially important to keep common areas clear and safe for tenants. Lastly, check your heating system. A reliable heating system is essential for winter, especially in areas like Kansas City where temperatures can drop significantly. Schedule a maintenance check to ensure the furnace or heating unit is working efficiently. Replace air filters, clean ducts, and make sure all heating vents are unobstructed. A well-maintained heating system runs more efficiently and helps avoid emergency repairs in the middle of winter. It's also a good idea to have a backup heating plan, such as space heaters, in case of a power outage or heating system failure. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in preparing and maintaining properties through all seasons, including winter. From checking insulation and sealing drafts to arranging snow removal and performing regular maintenance, we help landlords keep their properties in top condition and avoid winter-related damage. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To wrap up, protecting your property from winter weather damage is all about preparation. By insulating the property, cleaning gutters, sealing drafts, inspecting the roof, winterizing plumbing, planning for snow removal, and maintaining the heating system, you can prevent costly damage and keep your property in great shape all winter long. If you need help managing or preparing your property for winter, Alpine Property Management, Kansas City is here to help. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.